My name is Kiran Patil. I'm currently working as climate control, noise and vibration engineer at Ford Motor Company. At Kettering, I did my graduate studies in automotive systems engineering. One of the things that I always wanted to do is pursue a master's degree. That's how I started exploring the best schools around the globe for automotive engineering. And there are very few schools who actually have a very specific program into automotive engineering, and Kettering is right at the top. When I was pursuing my graduate studies at Kettering, I was working as a research assistant in the NVH and experimental mechanics lab under Dr. Jawad Bakrasad. We were doing a lot of research on tire road noise. And the second is actually what you see behind me is a digital image correlation, publishing 6 papers and the 130 citations. It's amazing that happened. The reason you have 130 citations is because it has value in the industry, has value in the scientific community. People are still actively researching it, and people are actively also citing our work. When I joined my first company, which was Cooper Tires, I didn't realize that I was going to be the only noise and vibration engineer at the company in the United States. But tire road noise had become pretty important at the time, because we had to develop the NVH lab ground up. Having to do that just out of school is quite challenging. I had to understand what equipments to buy, where to put them, what data to collect, how to process them. What is that critical value, critical feedback that you see from that data that can be sent to the tire design engineers? That was all that I learned here at Kettering. I was able to apply it in my first job. Having worked into different industries, working into different problems has taught me being an adaptable engineer. When I say engineer, we are problem solvers. The domain is multidisciplinary. You try and explore multiple areas within automotive industry. Having fundamental understanding or the basics of each and every aspect builds that depth and breadth in solving different problems to different areas. The advice I would like to give to the students pursuing graduate studies at Kettering, the most important is you need to take your graduate studies seriously, because it's an opportunity in your lifetime which probably is not coming back. And if you want to read and explore something to greater depth, what is lacking is time. This is that time. The coursework here is very well thought through. They are in constant touch with the industry. They are trying to understand what's happening in the industry. So taking those courseworks seriously and spending your time wisely is very important.